Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you to the tutorial video of how to send a snap at once on Snapchat. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Snapchat application. And once you're inside the Snapchat application, what you're gonna do is click on Snap and then click on next option. In order to send snap at once, what you're gonna do is click on that mouse and human icon located at top left corner. Doing so will successfully help you send a snap at once to everyone on your Snapchat. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.